Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get Vsco, or however you say it, X for free. It's basically the full version of the app, and if you guys don't know what this is, it's basically an app that allows you to edit your pictures with different filters. So first you want to click the link in the description below. The link will automatically redirect you to the download, and you just want to click install. But you have to make sure that the Vsco app is uninstalled on your phone completely before you install the full version of it. I have the app here, so now I'm just going to show you guys that it works. So I loaded up a picture here, and as you can see, all the filters are unlocked, and it even works for videos since it is the full version of the app. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.